when potato strips were immersed in boiling tubes containing sucrose solutions of different concentrations. A net movement of water into or out of the potato strips by osmosis would cause a change in mass of the strips. We can measure the initial and final mass of the potato strips that are immersed in sucrose solutions of different concentrations, and plot a graph to show the ratio of final mass to initial mass of the potato strips. To determine the water potential of the potato tissue, in terms of sucrose solution concentration using this graph, we have to find the concentration of the solution in which the mass of potato strips remains unchanged after immersion, that is, the ratio of final mass to initial mass equals 1. First, find the value 1 on the y-axis of the graph. Draw a horizontal line from the y-axis until it hits the graph line. Draw a vertical line from the point on the graph line down to the x-axis. Read the value on the x-axis. We can see that the water potential of the potato tissue equals that of 7% sucrose solution.